Amendment Bill. Under the bill, there is a fear that if the FCRA license is not extended or not renewed or rejected or not applied on time, the properties, including the church, will be taken over by the designated authority, and the properties will be taken over by the designated authority, and there is no chance of the property coming back to these organizations, including the church. So far as the church is concerned, what they say is that it will be given back on certain terms and conditions, which means that they can even sell back the church. So the property that is taken over has to be purchased by the church itself from the designated authority. So it is a draconian in nature. There are no safeguards. There is no principles of natural justice. So therefore, we have come together from all over India, many organizations, NGOs, even the Islamic bodies, Christian bodies have come together. They have deliberated, and we wanted to form a joint action committee.
Sorry to interrupt, Wilson ji. My question is here the question arises only for the Dalit and the women's, or what is the whole Amendment Act and action plan?
No, I think you have not understood about the FCRA Amendment Bill. FCRA Amendment Bill that targets the organizations which receives foreign funds and who have been doing it with the license. And once if the FCRA license is cancelled or it is not renewed, then the property will rest with the central government. So that is what we are talking about.
Sir, is there...
Put one right question.
Okay.
The person who is going to be affected is scheduled caste,
Dalits and
women's OBC organizations, because government doesn't reach all kinds of persons, all strata of society. Only these organizations, charitable organizations, reach. They have hospitals, they have asylums, aged homes are there, colleges are there, schools are there. So the persons who are studying in that colleges, schools, or person who is getting benefit out of these organizations now will be put into touch.
Sir, is there any hidden agenda of this government behind this bill?
Certainly. See, the RSS is behind this. They want to liquidate the assets of the Christian people, especially Christians people.